Good afternoon, everyone. This is Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. Today, we're going to show you how you can perform an adhesion test, which is recommended before you apply different kind of coatings. And this is a standard adhesion test, which applicable on most of roofing, most of roof material like single ply, metal, and the modified bitumen granule like this with different kind of coatings. Today I'm going to show you the adhesion test process for silicone coatings or SiliconEx 500. I have two piece of paper tape here just to know the border for my polyester fabric strip, which is 3 centimeter width and around 30 centimeters length. First of all, I put a good amount of silicone coating here in this part. See, to make sure that I have enough coating to embed our polyester fabric. A little bit more. Okay. Next, I put the polyester fabric around half of this must be embedded in the coating. Let's start. See, I have to make sure that it sticks well in the coating. Okay. Then again, I use more of this. If the trainlets, I put more coating to make sure that it's embedded very well and it has a a good connection with the fabric.
Hey there, I'm back. If you remember, we applied these coatings actually 4 days ago on Thursday, and today is Monday. So I'm going to test the adhesion with this regular scale that I have here. I tied it to the fiberglass fabric that we used for the test, and before we try that, we have to cut the area around the fabric because we don't want the tensile strength of coating helps the adhesion strength. That's why we have to cut very carefully to make sure that it doesn't relate to the other coatings in these two sides. Okay, and of course we can that doesn't matter, but we can pull off the paper tape that we put on, but it doesn't matter. So let's start. As you see here, it starts from 0, right? It's 0. I don't push it now, but when I start it, it goes up. 2.1, and this is the maximum, 2.1. Okay, I'm going to continue. Yes, that's the maximum that we've got, 2.1. And the minimum thing that we have to get out of this test is depends on the fabric width. Basically, if you have 1 centimeter of fabric, you have to get the 0.7 kilogram. So because it's close to 3 centimeters, so 2.1 kilogram is the acceptable adhesion that we need to to make sure that our coatings sticks well. And as you see, a part of the coatings left on the membrane here, on the modified bitumen, and some of that left over on the fabric. So it's a good it's a good thing that we see here in terms of adhesion. And you may do this test actually on different parts of your roof to make sure that you have a good average in adhesion on all over your roof. Yeah. Let me know if you have any questions from this test, or in email or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and I hope that helps to know more about adhesion test, and I hope that it works for your roof. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Your order is here, ready to ship.